Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make Danish cold skull, a refreshing cold buttermilk dessert. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 liter of buttermilk, 3 deciliters of full-fat yogurt, 100 grams of sugar, 1 whole vanilla bean, and 1 fresh lemon. Make sure your dairy products are well chilled before you begin, as this dish is best served cold. This simple recipe brings a taste of Danish summer to your home. Next, we'll prepare the flavorful base. Start by splitting your vanilla bean lengthwise and carefully scraping out all the tiny, fragrant seeds. In a large bowl, combine the 100 grams of sugar with the vanilla seeds and the zest of half a lemon. Now, add 2 egg yolks to this mixture and whisk vigorously until it becomes light, pale, and fluffy. This step creates a rich, aromatic foundation for your cold skull. Now it's time to bring everything together. Gradually whisk in the 1 liter of cold buttermilk and the 3 deciliters of full-fat yogurt into your vanilla and lemon mixture. Stir gently until everything is well combined and smooth. Squeeze in the fresh juice from your lemon, adjusting to your preferred level of tanginess. Once mixed, cover the bowl and chill your cold skull in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour to allow the flavors to meld and the dessert to become perfectly cold. Your homemade Danish cold skull is now ready to enjoy. Serve it chilled in individual bowls, garnished with fresh berries like strawberries or blueberries. For an authentic Danish experience, top it with crispy Kammerjunker biscuits, which add a delightful crunch. This refreshing treat is perfect for a warm day or as a light dessert. Remember to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other fantastic deals we've found for you. Enjoy your delicious cold skull.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.